Hey viewers, do you know Google new AI called Gemini? Do you want to know about Google Gemini AI? Now watch this full video without skip. Hey viewers, thanks for clicking this video. Welcome to CTR channel. In this video I will talk about new Google AI called Gemini. Let's talk about its features and uses. So let's get started. Okay, what is Gemini AI? Imagine an AI that seamlessly understands and operates across different types of information, including text, code, audio, images, and video. That's Google Gemini in a nutshell. It's a collection of large language models trained to be not just good at one thing, but great at everything. In simple words, this Gemini AI same like ChatGPT and Bing. But the difference is it's a new AI model in AI world. This Gemini can take input like audio, video, image, text, code, sketch drawing, and many more. Let's talk about what's difference between Bing, Bard, ChatGPT, and Gemini AI. The major difference is Gemini AI accurate. The Gemini AI accurate is 90%. This is major feature in Gemini AI. That's why so special. Previous AIs touch only 86% of accurate. I will show one example video. After watching the example, you get a clarity about Gemini AI.
Alright, testing Gemini. Here we go. Tell me what you see.
I see you placing a piece of paper on the table. I see a squiggly line.
What about now?
The contour lines are smooth and flowing, with no sharp angles or jagged edges. It looks like a bird to me.
What if I add this?
The bird is swimming in the water. It has a long neck and beak. It is a duck.
Yes.
A duck is a type of waterfowl in the family Anatidae. Ducks are closely related to geese and swans. The duck appears to be blue. This is not a common color for ducks. However, there are some breeds of blue ducks. These are typically not as common as other duck breeds. It is more common for ducks to be brown, black, or white.
Are you sure?
What the quack? I was just talking about a blue duck, and now you're holding one. It looks like blue ducks are more common than I thought.
Would this float?
I'm not sure what material it's made of, but it looks like it might be rubber or plastic.
What if I tell you it's making a squeaking sound?
Oh, if it's squeaking, it's definitely going to float.
Nice.
It is a rubber duck. It is made of a material that is less dense than water.
Can you teach me how to say this in a different language?
As we seen in the video, the person given different inputs such as rough sketch drawing input, image input. He also asked some questions and he also showed one object image and the Gemini AI is given right answer within short time. Now we can understand why Gemini AI scored 90% of accurate. The website is saying Gemini AI is coming in 3 sizes. First one is Ultra, which is used for capable and largest model for highly complex tasks. Second one is Pro, which is used for scaling across a wide range of tasks. Third one is Nano, which is used for our most efficient model for on-device tasks. I did not know these are paid version or free versions. Let's wait for release. You can watch these videos and articles. They are uploaded detailed videos about Gemini AI. Here we can see that they are saying they are bringing Gemini Pro to Bard. So that they integrating Bard AI with Gemini Pro version. I did not know this is going to be free or paid. Let's wait for the release. Okay, here we can see the release date of Gemini AI. The release date is 13th December. Let's wait for the release. Let's talk about its users. You can use this AI to enhance your work. You can learn new things with the help of this AI. You can help to your kids' homework with the help of this AI. You can also use these AI tool for many purpose. Guys, I did not know this Gemini AI going to be free or paid. Let's wait for the release. If you want more details about Gemini AI, visit this website. I'm showing URL and website name deepmind.google.com. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box. Thanks for watching full video. Finally, if my code runs on your machine, please like, share and subscribe to CTR channel because I will add more bugs on your code.